Hello good people, this is US from the Focus on Fragrance channel. I hope you're all doing very well and smelling great. Today we are back with another fragrance from the house of Maison Alhambra, which is a sub-brand of Latafa focusing on western cologne fragrances with the cheapest prices. This is the Philos Centro, and some of you guys might already know this is the clone of previously known as Sospiro and now as the Xerjoff Accento. So this is the clone of Xerjoff Accento, guys. Let's get into the presentation. I have already removed the packing of this. So this is the box. On the top you get the Alhambra logo, in the front Philos Centro written here, on the back nothing special, on the bottom you get the barcode and the production date, which is 2020, the expiry date 2025. Let's take out the bottle, guys. Okay, so this is what the bottle looks like, guys, and this is one of the reason why I bought this, just because of the bottle. Look at this, guys, it just looks so amazing and so luxurious. So the cap, it is a heavy metal cap, guys, and the cap reminds me of the Afnan line of Supremacy Intense, Supremacy Silver. All of those caps are just like this. And the bottle, guys, the bottle is wrapped in the velvet, purple velvet, and when you touch it and look at it, it just looks so good, with a metal tag in the middle. And this is the presentation. So let me show you the sprayer, guys, on a strip. Okay, so let's spray it. Okay, the sprayer is average, decent distribution. Okay, so the notes breakdown, first of all, guys. In the top we have the pineapple, the hyacinth flowers, with the middle notes iris, jasmine and pink pepper. In the base notes we have the musk, patchouli, vanilla, vetiver and amber. So how does this smell, guys? In the opening it is very alcoholic smell. So the opening starts with freshly cut pineapple with a lot of the hyacinth flower, and the pineapple goes away after a while, followed by the iris and jasmine with a touch of pink pepper. But the iris and the hyacinth flowers are the dominating notes over here. So as this goes down to the dry down, guys, you can get the patchouli, vetiver, musk and a little bit sweetness of vanilla, with a lot of floral accords coming from the jasmine, iris and the hyacinth flowers. So this is basically a summer spring type of a scent, guys. You can wear it in winters too, but this is not too strong, it's too weak, and this is leaning more towards the feminine side in my opinion. The pyramid for this fragrance is gonna be like this: starts off fruity, musky, powdery and sweet, and goes out to like being an ambery, earthy, floral, soft, spicy. So that was the pyramid for this fragrance. For the age, I would say plus 25. It is a little bit mature, not all for the young crowd. And if we do a fair rating for this, guys, for the longevity it gets a 5 out of 10. This will stay on my clothes for like 6 to 7 hours, but on my skin this goes to 2 to 3 hours, so 5 out of 10 for the longevity. And for the sillage, this gets a 6 out of 10. The first hour is good, after that not so good. For the projection, a 5 out of 10. For the bottle and presentation, guys, this gets a 10 out of 10. It cannot get any better than this for the price you guys will pay for this. I literally paid $10 for this. And the price tag, guys, The price, it gets a 9 out of 10. I got this for $10, but depending on your location this can go from $10 up to a $50-$60, but I would not pay more than $20 for this. If we do a comparison in the end with the Xerjoff Accento and this, so this has the same notes as the Xerjoff Accento, but the cons on this are, this has no quality compared to the Xerjoff Accento, and this is too alcoholic, and this does not even long, it is not even long lasting at all as compared to the Xerjoff Accento. But keep in mind guys that you are not going to be paying more than 300 or literally $300 for this. You are just going to be paying 10 to 40 $30 for this. So if you like the Xerjoff Accento and you don't want to pay the higher price and still want to enjoy a cheaper version of the Xerjoff Accento, then definitely I recommend you guys to try this out for a cheap price. And if you like the notes I just mentioned, this has the same notes just as the Xerjoff Accento. So if you like the Xerjoff Accento or those notes, I definitely recommend you guys to try this. So this was all for this video guys. Until the next video guys, take care, bye bye.